In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate seamless HD images in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt homepage. From here, go to the Images section to open the Image Tools, then choose Create Image. That brings up the generator where we'll set the model, write the prompt, and configure quality. Before typing anything, switch the model. Click the model switcher, start typing OpenArt SDXL, and select the OpenArt SDXL option from the list. Choosing the right model matters. This one is tuned for high detail and clean structure, which really helps with repeating patterns and crisp edges. Now, craft your prompt. Be explicit about seamless tiling and the look you want. For example, seamless floral pattern, evenly spaced flowers, soft colors, uniform background, no frame, seamless tile, HD. Clear, descriptive phrases guide the model and reduce unwanted borders or elements that can break a tile. If you have a color palette or mood in mind, include it here as plain text so the model can follow your vision. Next, set an aspect ratio. For patterns that need to repeat perfectly, a square canvas is usually the safest choice, but pick the ratio that fits your end use, like phone wallpapers or banners, if that's your goal. The ratio influences composition density, so consider how the design will be viewed. Open advanced settings to control output quality. Turn on upscale and set it to 4x to achieve HD clarity. Upscaling increases resolution and sharpens details, though it may add a bit of processing time. It's a reliable way to get print-friendly or high-resolution assets without manually enlarging later. Decide how many images you want in one run. Generating several variations gives you options to compare composition and motif spacing. Start with a small batch if you're experimenting, and increase once you like the direction. When everything looks right, click Create. The system will process your request and show progress while the images render. Wait for the results, then review them at full size. For a pattern, it helps to look near the edges to make sure shapes and lines flow cleanly, since these will touch when the tile repeats. If you see visible seams or elements cut off at the borders, refine the prompt with stronger terms like evenly spaced, uniform background, or remove borders, and run it again with the same settings. You can also adjust the aspect ratio if your use case changes. And that's the workflow. Open the Images tool, create an image, switch to OpenArt SDXL, write a clear, seamless prompt, choose your aspect ratio, open advanced settings to set 4x upscale, choose how many images to render, create, and review the results.